Welcome to the Wilder Blueprint. Whether you are using some of our free resources or you have unlocked the entire system, you are here to build a dominant and successful real estate business. We operate on strict principles here. Foundation first, diagnose before prescribed, and math before contracts. We don't guess, we execute. Let's get you oriented. To access your training, log in at wilderblueprint.com. Go to My Courses or click on your account and select a course. This system is engineered in 3 strict phases. You will start in the foundations tier to master the timeline and human psychology. From there, you graduate to the core tier to learn the playbook and market players. Finally, you unlock the vault, where we cover advanced diagnostics and elite appointment execution. Do not skip ahead. I expect you to complete 1 full module per week. That is about 1 lesson per day. Master the human side before you touch the technical side. Dedicate your morning to studying the lesson and your afternoon to implementation. Knowledge without execution is useless. Your success depends entirely on your daily discipline.